guys, Dustin here with Life in a Mustang, and right now I'm in the parking lot of my in-laws restaurant that they own, doing my wife's brakes, because she bitched at me and said that they were grinding and I need to get my eye on it. So, jacking up the car, as you can see here, tools. I'll show you how to use that tool right there. Some sockets, some wrenches, brakes. Luckily I keep spare brake pads in my car, just because I've never took them out when I got the replacements. But get this wheel off, jack up this car. Tires coming up. Take these lugs off. I think I'm tightening. Alright, I'll check back in. Alright, so if you're wondering, this is a 2000 Lincoln LS. It is a 13 millimeter. To crack these puppies right there loose. I'm gonna crack them loose. Take the caliper off. Now, when you do rear brakes, I'm using that kit right there. I'll show you how to use this thing right there. When you do rear brakes, you put the car in neutral, which means you gotta leave the key on. So leave a window down in case your battery dies. And put the car in neutral. And then you can use this tool right there to turn the caliper in. I'll show you in a second. And God, she really needs new rotors. But this will get her home. And then we can order some rotors. If you guys were wondering, the Lincoln LS shares the independent rear suspension with the Cobra. There you go. Cool fact. I mean, it's a little different, but it's pretty much the same. All right, get to it. Bolts are off. There's a bolt on the top and a bolt on the bottom. I just did a pry bar video. This is when you need a pry bar. Would y'all look at that? There is no, you'd think she's doing some burnouts. Speaking of burnouts, line lock's coming this Sunday. So check it out. Keep you from doing that. I don't even know why I'm getting line lock. I haven't even built my motor yet. Oh well. So this one's got little things in it. And like, it pokes in like that. This plate goes on the bottom. So that's what it should look like. This plate firm against here. These two plates sandwiched together. And then what you're gonna do is, you're gonna turn this. Oh, I didn't have it tight enough. You're gonna turn that. This is gonna loosen up. You're gonna keep pressure by tightening this and keeping this going up. As you turn this, this gets loose, it drops down, you tighten it back up to here, you turn it, you tighten it, you turn it, you tighten it, you turn it, tighten it, turn it, tighten it, you get it? And that's how you do it. And the car is in neutral. So there's no parking pressure on that rear brake. And that's it, it's just like any other pad. This has been a quick flick by Life in a Mustang. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And I just thought I'd show you how that tool works. I mean, I'm in the middle of a parking lot in the dark. Luckily, I got some lights fixing her brakes. Life in a Mustang. What'd I tell you? Life in a Mustang. All right, peace. You know, I just thought, it's more like Life in a Lincoln LS, which in all reality is a mix between a Thunderbird, the newer ones, the two-seater ones, and a Mustang Cobra. The engine looks like a Cobra engine, just like it's 4-valve, revs high. This one's got paddle shift. But don't forget to check out my other videos. Cool stuff coming. Motor build. It's not gonna cost $10,000. It's probably gonna cost $5,000. So that's what happens when you do it yourself. Other than, you know, like the line boring, the machining. I'm not gonna attempt that. But yeah, still turning. Still turning on these wrecked rotors.
Totally wrecked. Totally wrecked. But hey, it's got an IRS. Yeah. I'm sure it would snap if it had power like a Cobra. I don't know. I mean, it looks exactly the same. It looks like it bolts up just like a Cobra one. I'm gonna look into it a little more. I don't know. I don't really want an IRS because why the Cobra guys switch to a solid axle? But if you're on a track, like a road course, that'd be totally different. All right, I'm really leaving this time. Peace.
There's a left and a right.
Make sure you use the right ones.